Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the action of the angiotensin 2. So this includes that it produces a powerful arterial constrictor. So there's strong arterial constrictor and rise in the SBP and the DBP. So strong arterial constrictor, rise in the DBP and the SBP. So SBP as well as the DBP. Then there is it acts directly on the adrenal cortex, that is AC, to increase the aldosterone secretion. So it causes the aldosterone secretion. Next, it facilitates the release of the norepinephrine by direct action on the prostaglandin sympathetic neurons. That constricts the efferent arteriole. The constriction of the efferent arteriole. So constrict the efferent arterioles and thereby increases the filtration fractions and the GFR rate. So increase the GFR rate, and when there is a decrease in renal blood flow, then there is a decreased renal blood flow. Then comes the direct effect on the renal tubules. So direct effect on the renal tubules, and this what it does is it increases the sodium reabsorption. So sodium reabsorption. Then it acts on the brain to decrease the sensitivity to the baroreceptors. So in the brain it decreases the sensitivity of the baroreceptor reflex and potentiating the pressure effect on the AT2, angiotensin 2. Then it acts on the brain to increase the water uptake. So increase the water uptake in the brain intake, and this is by increasing the secretion of the ADH and also the ACTH. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.